Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am redoing my brother's old bedroom. If you want to know why and like why I'm redoing all the furniture and stuff, then go watch one of them videos. I'm pretty sure I've probably said it in one of them videos somewhere. But today, sorry, my paint jumper on. Today I am redoing, this is the one I was most excited for, and this was the one I like where I had my first idea and like where it kind of took off my whole trying to upcycle every single furniture I own. But I am upcycling my, I think they're called the Alex drawers, the IKEA Alex drawers. These were like what everyone had like 3-4 years ago. I'm pretty sure people still have them now. But this was like all the range. If you had the IKEA drawers, you were really cool to put your makeup in. So I obviously got them because I thought I was really cool. And like I still like them. I mean, they're not the most practical because the drawers only open halfway and you cannot get to the back at all. But I still have them. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them, so there is no reason for me to get rid of them and get a new makeup desk. And I mean, they're nice and white, clean, like there's absolutely nothing wrong with them, but I just kind of want more character to it. Like they're just plain drawers, literally nothing really exciting about them. So I thought, well, why not just add a little bit of spice, you know? Why not just upcycle them a little bit? So that's what I'm gonna do. I've just moved them from my room into this room, up the stairs. That was genuinely so hard to do by myself, but it's fine. We're strong, independent women. We got this. This is the state of my drawers at the minute. So they all close except for this one, which there's something at the back of it, and it's really annoying. But this is what they look like. They do need a wipe down at the top, and these little squeegee things that stick on have gone because there is a top to it as well. The top to it we are going to cut down because at the minute the top to it goes from about there to about over here. It's huge, there's no need for it to be that big, and these are going in this corner, so there's not too much space. I want them to end about here, so I need to cut the top bit off, but we'll do that later. Right now I am just tackling the drawers. So what I have here is, I have 8 mouldings. Right, I'm scared to put these on the wall because they've just been painted. I'm gonna just put them back here so they're out of the way. But yeah, I've got 8 mouldings. They're this little half moon crescent thing. I don't know what you'd call them. But yeah, they're cute. I've seen people do it with full ones like this, like a little circle. But I don't want that much of an effect, so I'm just doing it with these. So my plan is, I am cutting these down to size, and they're gonna go all along here, like that, on every single one. And then it's gonna get painted beige, like the colour I painted the mirror, so that exact colour. And it's gonna get painted that. The only thing I'm a bit nervous about is this. So in the mitre block you can cut angles, but it just kind of slopes. So I'm just a bit nervous about that, but I could always sand it down. It's nothing too bad. And one reason why I don't want to get rid of these drawers is because I spent so long creating dividers. I mean, the drawers need a good clean, but oh, there's a concealer I left in there. I think that looks quite cool. If you're asking me, I spent a lot of time on this. So if you want to know how I did this, there is a video that I made on it. So all of these will be painted beige, and then the outer will stay white. So I think that would look quite nice, and it just adds something to it, because like right now they're just standard IKEA drawers and everyone has them, and I want something different. So we're gonna try. So I'm gonna go try and find the meter block and mitre block. Oh, I thought, I kept calling it a minx block. I don't know why. I think it's because when my dad passed it to me, he was like, here's the mitre block. But in my head I was like, oh, minx, sick, okay, that's what it's called. And then I read it and I was like, meter block. Okay, meter block, sick. And then I spoke to my dad this morning, he was like, mitre block, not a meter block. So yeah, I don't know the technical terms. In an ideal world, I would take these drawers out and then stand them up so I can, if any of these don't stick, I can put something on it and press it down just to hold it. However, we don't live in an ideal world, and these drawers don't come out without having to take the whole thing apart, which is something I am not prepared to do. If it comes to it and I really need to put something on it, I can put the drawers on their side and stick something on it. But for now, we're just going to have to, I really don't know what is stuck behind this drawer, and it's been there for a very long time. Annoying, but yes, gonna go find that mitre block and we can get started on all of this. Okay, so I've got the mitre block and I've got my moulding and my tape measure. So the first thing I'm gonna do is pull out a drawer. I'm gonna start with the top and work my way down because I think that's just the easiest way, I guess. So this is hard to do with one hand, but I'm going to measure it out up to about here, and then I'm going to cut one on an angle and see if that fits. Oh my god, I have 8 of these sticks, so I'm hoping that'll be enough. I have a feeling it won't be, which is annoying, but we will see. So I will get back to you once I've cut my first few strips and we can see what it looks like. It is now the next day. I forgot to show you me doing the drawers, but I will show you now because I've figured out how to do them properly anyway. So I'll show you what the drawers look like now. They look really good. I literally worked for like 6 hours on these last night and I've still got 4 drawers to go. So I've done 6. It takes me about an hour to do each one, which is fun, but I'll show you now. So these what they look like. This is what they look like. They look so good, but I have run into an issue. If I don't make them the exact length, then they kind of get stuck and bring the other one with it, you see? So I need to sand this down the best I can, and this one here. But I'm going to do that afterwards. Also, some of them come right to the edge, but then like these two just don't come to the edge, so I'm going to have to sort that out somehow. I don't really know right now, but at some point we will. This is fully messed up. I forgot to wash the brush with the glue on, so that's fun. But yeah, I've nearly run out of little mouldings. I've got 3 full ones and 1 little one left. So this so far has taken 5 mouldings, and there's still 4 drawers left. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to nip to B&Q today to get some more, which is annoying because it is raining, and I'm watching Hannah Montana on the TV because why not? But yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do them basically. I have 2 mouldings cut here, are cut already to the size. So I always keep one out and then I put it on, draw a line, and then I'll cut it. To make it quicker for myself, I figured out I can do more than 1 at a time, which is so much easier. So I can do 3 at a time. And yeah, I'm going to start doing that. So I'm going to cut them all down first because it just makes it easier if I cut them all and then glue them all on. So I'm going to do that now, just cut them all down. These bits here where it goes in, like as you can see here, I've not really done it very well there because that was last night when I was getting tired, but this is the first one I did and it literally lines up perfect. So I can get some, I've got some wood filler and I'm just going to fill that in a little bit there. But that will be fine. So I'm going to start cutting and I will get back to you once everything is cut down to size. Okay, so it is 2 o'clock and I have just had my lunch. Oh, sorry. I went to B&Q because I literally ran out of moulding with 4 pieces left to go, and I'm so annoyed. I have 2 drawers left, but I have all the pieces cut out except for 4. They're all the pieces that are cut out for these drawers. So I have 4 here, 2 that are slanted, 4 little ones, 2 that are slanted, 4 little ones. Oh, so it's 8 pieces I ran out of. Okay, that's a little bit better. But yeah, I'm hoping that's enough. Yeah, it should be. So I went to go get the 2 slanted ones because I've only cut the big long ones and the little long ones. I still need to cut the slanted ones, which I haven't done yet. So I will show you what I do. I did measure them and then cut them, but it just wasn't as accurate as literally getting this, lining it up, and then drawing a line where I need to cut it, and that is so much more accurate than doing what I tried to do before. And someone is calling me, 1 second. It has been a while. It is currently like 10:10. So I got a call basically, and I had to go to my mum's work because she was picking up my carpet. So I had to go there, then I came back and just started doing as much as I could. I got it, and then, oh no, so I went to B&Q, then came back, then did that. Yeah, and then my dad came home from work and he started doing all the painting at the top, and he painted these, and yeah, so I couldn't really film. So now I'm nearly finished. I'm on the last layer of coat, the last layer of paint, fingers crossed. So I'll give you a little look-see. So this is how they're looking, and obviously that's it closed. I think it looks so much better. Like, look how cute that looks. Actually absolutely obsessed with it, but it needs 1 more coat. If you can see, it's just a bit streaky. So I'm just going to give that a coat. And then we were looking just now on worktops to go over it, because the one I've got is white. I'm not really a big fan of it, and it's a bit like bald and not very, it's like quite dirty and stuff. So we were looking at IKEA. We found one for £40. But I can't get it in my car. My brother can't get it in his car. We have the van, but only my mum and dad are insured on it. And my dad's away all week and my mum's busy. So, and everyone's busy this weekend. Should have done last night. I haven't done. So yeah, I don't really know what's going to happen with that. Woo. Okay, so it has been a while since I have come on here and really done anything. So I honestly have no idea what the last thing you saw was. It was probably about 2 weeks ago now that maybe 3, that I even touched this dresser, like this makeup table. But it is finally done. There's a few things that I thought I was gonna do, but I've decided not to do just because I honestly prefer it and it's a lot less hassle. So she's done. I'm currently out of the room because obviously the rest of the room is basically done as well, and I don't want to ruin that because I have done a whole video on that, which will be coming after this video. I don't know when after, but sometime soon. So yeah, I'll give you a quick before of what the dresser looked like just to remember. And this is what it looks like now. We'll just bend down. So these are the drawers. I'm honestly so in love with them. I just think they are gorgeous. And if you know, this was a lot longer, the top part, because this is obviously the 2 Alex drawers, IKEA Alex drawers, and then just the IKEA top, like tabletop that they have. This was a lot longer, but we have actually sawed it off. So it was actually the other way around and we sawed it off there, but I've moved it this way. I could have this come to exactly here, but my hamster cage actually sits here and it just works better that it goes over, because I can't push the Alex straws right up against the wall because otherwise I can't open it with the radiator. So this just works better, and you can hardly see it with the curtain there. It just looks a lot nicer. I was actually going to get, there was a different IKEA tabletop, because I've had this for about 5 years, which is why I turned it round, because in the back it's all chipped. But I was going to get this beige stone tabletop from IKEA, which is still laminate and stuff. But I think I've just decided that I like the white. Like, I just like it nice and pristine. The beige would go nice with my new bedside table, but I don't know. For now, I'm in no rush to change it. I think I'm just gonna keep it like this. I honestly need to see it in person, and obviously we can't go IKEA at the minute, so that's just for a later date. But at the minute, I'm really happy with how it looks. I think it is honestly gorgeous. Like, it just adds so much having the mouldings on the drawers. Like, it just looks insane. Like, I'm so happy. And it painted as well. Oh, it's beautiful. But yeah, so now obviously most of my makeup's at uni, so I've just got one pot of brushes and my hairband and mirror and stuff. But when I get all my makeup back from uni, I'll have all my makeup brushes and the drawers will be full again. But for now, it's so pretty, and I'm really happy with it. So that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed coming along in my transformation of my IKEA Alex drawers. I've got loads of powder on my side. That is not dandruff. That is just powder from when I did my makeup. But yeah, I'm honestly over the moon with how good it looks. It just elevates the room again with the rest of the furniture. Like, oh, it's so pretty. But yeah, obviously I'm not a professional. I probably did a lot of things wrong, but I'm okay with that because I like the outcome. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already. Yeah, and I will see you in the next video when I transform the dresser and the mirror. Okay, bye.